Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can share any kind of file on the Mega. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the Mega. I'm going to open it. Let's click on the Mega. And after clicking on the Mega, as you can see now, simply we have to go to the files at the folder section. Now you have to choose that what you want to share. For example, I want to share this file here. So I'm going to clicking on these three dots. And now simply we have to click on the share link option. So let's click on the share link. And now you will be able to get a link, like you can copy the link here, or if you want to share the link directly, you can also do that. It's up to you. But I'm going to cut this one here and I'm going to copy the link. Now you can share the link with anyone, whomever you want to share this file, and he or she will get the access of that folder or the file. So in this way you can share any kind of folder or the video or the file with your friends. I hope you guys understand this video, that how we can share the files of the Mega. So see you in the next video.